Hi there, this is Marissa, and I have a new process video creating a digital pocket style layout in Photoshop. And this is week 4 and 5 of 2019. And I am using the Wild Child bundle from Pixel Scrapper, which is one that I designed and is one of the favorites of what I've created lately. I really love those animals, are good fun, and they're unusual colors for me. I didn't choose them because this was for a community blog train, but I really enjoyed working with them, and I just loved how this turned out in the end. And so here I am excited to be actually using something I designed to finish up these pages this week. And so like always, I am beginning here by putting in my papers in the background, and I tend to alternate light and dark and then busy and less busy. That's kind of my basic rule when filling in these different areas in the pocket page. And you saw there I just turned on kind of a opaque layer, which I thought this year I would be fancy and check my margins because I always print these pages at the end of the year in a photo book, and in the past I've just not bothered to really care, what's going to get cropped off on the edges. I couldn't be bothered to care. And this year I was like, you know what? This is the 5th year I've done this, and I'm going to have a look and see. And so I just created that little overlay, which will give me an idea of what is likely to be cropped off in the photo book. So I've kind of moved all my, I shrunk the photo frames just a bit so that there was a bit more border. And then I'll just turn that on occasionally just to make sure that there's nothing that will be cropped weirdly. So, if things like that are holding you back, don't let them hold you back. I did for 4 years of not bothering to attend to my margins. And sometimes things look a little weird, but who cares? Is my motto. It's a lot more important to have these pages done, and looking at them is still quite nice, even if every once in a while there's something that looks a little odd. So that is my margin pep talk for you if you have any concerns about getting your things printed in a photo book. And I have talked so long about that I am just going to be finishing up here. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.